Now question of the day, our motto, determine integration of e to power x into 2 minus x square dx divided by 1 minus x into under root 1 minus x square dx. So first of all, I know that a formula I have developed. If e to power x, then into f of x and f prime x, okay, then here written f of x, e to power x into f of x plus c. So if here e to power x, so that one make like that one. If this one, this function basically e to power x into 1 2 minus x square upon 1 minus x into under root 1 minus x square is converted like that one, then direct using that formula. Okay, so basically our motto, this one is converted, this type and this type. So how can you can do, if written here simply e to power x, that one 1 minus, sorry, if that one 1 minus x square plus 1 divided by, okay, 1 minus x into under root 1 minus x square dx. Okay, so how can do, simply here e to power x and that one written 1 minus x into 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x into under root 1 minus x square, okay, plus 1 upon one minus x into under root 1 minus x square dx. After that, e to power x, 1 minus x upon 1 minus x cancel out, okay, and now if that one written 1 plus x to the whole square, okay, divide by 1 minus x is written 1 minus x into 1 plus x. After that, that one simply 1 minus x into under root of 1 minus x square dx. So that part is simply e to power x. What about that part? Simply under root of 1 plus x upon 1 minus x plus 1 minus x into under root 1 minus x square dx. Very simple. Look, if this one is f of x, then that one f prime x. If anyone faced doubt, sir, if this is f of x, how can say that one is f of x, f prime x? So look, f of x is how much? 1 plus x upon 1 minus x to whole power 1 by 2. Okay, if this one is differentiate, means f of x divided by dx. So how can integrate? Simply that is written 1 by 2 into 1 plus x upon 1 minus x to whole power minus half into basically that one. If anyone face more doubt, then written like that one divided by in denominator in numerator 1 plus x upon 1 minus x divided by dx. I hope so clear. Using chain rule, then simply 1 by 2 into 1 plus x upon 1 minus x to whole power minus half. Simply differentiation of x to power n is how much? N into x to power n minus 1. So that's why written like that one. Okay. And after that, if differentiate that one, this is numerator, and then that one denominator. So how can you differentiate that one? So first of all, written denominator 1 minus x into differentiation of numerator. Differentiation numerator is 1 0. So differentiation of x, that is 1, minus 1 plus x into differentiation of denominator. So that is 0 minus 1, and after that whole square of denominator. So written like that one. Okay. Now look, this one written 1 by 2 into 1 plus x upon 1 minus x to whole square, or that one simply 1 by 2 to under root 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. Okay. Now look here, minus 1, if you see very carefully, that is minus minus plus. Okay, minus 1, and that is plus 1, and that one is minus x, plus x. Okay, so minus x and plus x is cancelled, 2 upon 1 minus x square. So basically this one is 2 upon 1 minus x to the whole square. Okay, I hope so clear. After that 2 cancel, then this one is written 1 minus x, okay, into here 1 minus x to the whole square into 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. Basically 1 minus x to the whole square is written 1 minus x into 1 minus x. So first 1 minus x written like that one, and second 1 minus x is going on under root, then that is that one is written 1 minus x to the whole square. What is the advantage of that one? Simply this one and this one, that one power and that one is cancelled. So we got how much? 1 upon 1 minus x into under root 1 minus x square. Okay, so if you see very carefully, differentiation of that one simply like that one. So if this one is f of x, okay, so derivative, and that one is derivative of that one. Okay, I hope so clear. So that's why you can use direct formula here, e to power x, and here under root of 1 plus x upon 1 minus x, okay, plus 1 upon 1 minus x into under root 1 minus x square dx is written as simply e to power x into f prime x, f of x. So f of x, e to power x into under root of 1 plus x upon 1 minus x plus c is the right answer. Make it.